Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. So friends, in my previous videos, you have seen we did the installation of Service Provider Foundation. After that, we did the installation of Windows Azure Pack and we configured it. Now on this video, we'll see how to register Service Provider Foundation in Windows Azure Pack. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So friends, now we are on our lab environment. This is my virtual machine manager server. Now I have opened the browser, and in browser I will enter the URL of Windows Azure Pack admin portal. Okay friends, so I have entered the URL, which is https://vmm1.captechpro.online. This is my FQDN name of this machine, and :30081. This is the port number. Now I will press enter. So you can see it has prompted like we have to sign in. So I will provide the username and password. Okay friends, after providing the username and password, I will click on sign in. So we are getting logging in inside it. Okay friends, so now we are inside our service management portal of Windows Azure Pack, and you can see we have multiple tabs. Like these are the all items. You can click on create an item from here, and you can create anything from here. Let me close it. If you have a website and if you want to connect to a website cloud, you can click over here. Then we have a VM clouds. So you can see over here, you can read it like no virtual machine cloud provider was found. Ensure that at least one VMM management server is available through the Service Provider Foundation endpoint. So we have to use an existing virtual machine cloud provider. So for that, we have to click on this link. So let me open my virtual machine manager before clicking on this link. So you can see we have already created a cloud with the name of CapTech Cloud. So basically what it will does, like if we will register the cloud, so we have already created the cloud in my previous videos. So this cloud will now reflect on the browser. So let's go over there. And now let me click on this link. So you can see this is a VM cloud. We got an option like connect to. Here we have to enter the FQDN of our server. So this is my FQDN, which is vm1.captechpro.online. Here you have to enter the port number. So it's optional. I will not enter. And if you have a remote desktop gateway FQDN, you can enter it over here. So we don't have the remote desktop gateway. In upcoming videos, we'll configure it. So as of now, I will click on register. So you can see it's registering the virtual machine cloud provider, vmm1.captechpro.online. So now it's register. I will click on OK. So as you can see, my vmm1.captechpro.online, which is a cloud provider, we can see that on our portal. Now if I will expand this, so you can see this is my CapTech Cloud, which I have created on my VMM portal. Here it is. Now let's go back. So you can, if I will click over here, you can see the configurations of it. Now let me go back. So as you can see, this is my on-premises cloud. So you can see it's on the Windows Azure Pack. Now what we can do is like we can create a virtual machine inside the cloud from this portal. In our upcoming videos, we'll see how we can create a virtual machine from the Windows Azure Pack from this portal. So there are many features, like you can enter the service bus clouds, you can enter the SQL servers, you can add a new SQL server if you want. Then we have a plans. You can create a new hosting plan. Now let's discuss about plans. So guys, if you have a customers, if you have a client and you want to sell the hosting plans to your client, simply you can create a hosting plan from here. If I will click on this link, you can select the name for your hosting plan, then you can configure, then you can allot, then you can add the resources. And after creating the plans, you can create a user account from here. Like you can assign the email address. Then after that, you can give the username and password to the client, and by using the resources which you have entered in the plans, your client, your customer can create the virtual machine. As you know, in my previous videos, I have already created the VMM cloud, which is, you can see, which is the CapTech Cloud. So what's the second practice people do is like they create a virtual machine cloud. After creating the cloud, they create a logical network, they create a switch, they create the network sites, they do each and everything which we did in the previous videos. And they also create a virtual machine templates, and then they assign those templates to this virtual machine cloud so that any user, so that the client can use those resources. So we have already done that, so we don't need to do that. So guys, in our next upcoming videos, we'll see how we can create a Windows Azure Pack hosting plans. After that, we'll assign those hosting plans to the user accounts. We'll create a user account from here. So guys, stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.